Good morning, folks. My name is Rich White with Guarantee RV. Today I'm going to be showing you a Heritage Glen Elite Series 34RL is the model number of it. Let's go inside and take a look at some of the features. Folks, I just want to go over some of the features with this Wildwood. We've got a 12 cubic foot 4-door refrigerator, single basin sink, Furrion grill top and oven, convection microwave. It's got a nice sized pantry, a lot of storage in it, nice table and chairs with storage under each one of the chairs, a sleeper sofa. It also has reclining theater seating, nice television with fireplace. Upstairs you've got a huge shower in this, porcelain toilet. It is plumbed for a washer and dryer, has a king size bed. There is no carpet in your living area other than the slide area. It is a beautiful coach with tons of storage. Folks, another thing that this coach offers is a huge amount of windows. The windows are very large, has great daylight coming into the coach, which is really important to you. Thank you very much for your time, folks. Once again, my name is Rich White with Guarantee RV. You can reach me direct on my cell phone at 541-521-8914. Again, thank you for your time.